sharing button-up hacks so that you can get more wear out of the clothes that you own and really maximize your wardrobe. If you happen to be new here, I'm your girl Jordan Blackwell, but you can call me JB, your sustainable materials bestie turned lifestyle content creator. And I know we all have a button up in our wardrobe, and you might be looking for ways to step up your outfits with minimal effort while giving maximum impact. That is what I specialize here, so let's dive right in with this first button up hack. This turned out so cute. Now how this is gonna lay is also going to depend on the bottom of your button up. As you remember, I have a straight bottom and the sides kind of are dolphin cut. So this gives a little bit more extra flair, a little bit more fun to the look, which is the other reason I love this button up, specifically when I'm trying to zhuzh up my outfits. This cinch waist style is one of my favorites. I mean, it just looks so polished and so fun and easily elevates a look. If you even want to go up a step further, adding a little bit more pizzazz, a little bit more personality, try and find some fun decorative safety pins like this, or even some fun brooches like this would be so chic and so elevated, and a way to make this even more personal. Let's get into the next one. Y'all know I love me a good safety pin to make sure a look actually gives what it needs to give. So I have seen this one a lot, like a lot, and I personally do love it. If you want to add a little bit more personality, I've seen people use bows, I've seen people use ribbon, I've even seen some people do shoelaces, like this kind of hack where they weave it in between the button up first to give a ruching effect before crossing over. Tons of ways to do this and make this personalized and still look chic and elevate your everyday looks. I'm wondering which one is your favorite so far. Let me know in the comments while I show you the next one. Now this should look familiar if you are a regular because this was in my date night outfits for the winter time in that green sweater. But here's what it looks like with a button up. So easy, so chic, and so fun. I feel like a lot of us forget that we can simply turn our button ups around and have a lot of fun with that. With that in mind, here's another way to wear your button up backwards. A simple wraparound and tuck is something I swear by all the time. The amount of times I will literally tuck things up underneath my bra to give it the effect that you're looking for. But this is just an easy, fun, different take on a crop top button up that you can do with all of your outfits to give maximum impact with very little effort. You really cannot go wrong with a halter top during the summer season, and this is just so fun, so easy. Of course, it's going to look a little different if you don't have a button up with sheer material right here, but you can have it draped as low as you want, as high as you need it, and of course, you can make the back as low back as you want by adjusting where you button it. So super easy, super cute, and I appreciate your patience because I know I look a little bit crazy trying to walk you through some of the steps, and it's because I did a workout with my dad over the weekend and my arms are still killing me, so I am moving a little slow, but the looks are coming together. Let's get into the next hack. Personally, I have been obsessing over one shoulder tops for the upcoming season, so this is a very easy way to do it with your button up. Now, if you wanted to go all the way around, get an oversized button up. This is a size small, and I can do a lot of the hacks with this, but if I wanted to wrap it around to give like a cute belt detail, go for like a medium or a large, because then you could actually take that other sleeve, wrap it around to make a cute little belt and tie it over here. But I mean, it's giving what it needs to give, kind of edgy, kind of cool, and very elevated while still wearing your everyday basic. And hopefully you're noticing that I did not do any repeats from my first video, and that was super intentional because I wanted to bring you even more ways to dress up your everyday basic. And I'm so curious which one of these button-up looks was your favorite, because between the corset and the one arm top, this final look, these are absolutely my favorite, and again, an easy way to dress up your everyday basic and make sure you're getting the most out of the clothes that are in your closet. And if you liked this video, quickly boop that like button and make sure you hit the follow button. Then go ahead and check out my entire outfit ideas playlist, because you're gonna get so many more ways to wear the clothes that you already own, because you know one thing about your sustainable materials bestie is that I wanna make sure you're not only getting quality at every price point, but you're gonna be able to wear your clothes again and again and again through reimagining what you own, or just finding new combinations you may not have thought of. So thank you so much for watching, and let's hang out more over in the playlist.